jungles.
Good, af- good afternoon. How are you? Hope you are enjoy your holiday. It's me, your teacher again, Mr. Israel. And today I would like to give you a long-awaited holiday assignment. And before I do that, I would like to teach you a bit so that you can be a guide for you to do your holiday assignment. I believe it's not something that is entirely new for some of you, but I just want to do a kind of guide so that you'll be able to do it and do it well. And don't forget that assignment is very important because it's going to be part of our CA and the first CA when we resume. So let me quickly show you what to do. Now, the first thing you need to do now is to pick up your pen and your jotter and the solution of quadratic equation. Now we'll be looking at the differences between quadratic expression and quadratic equation. Now if you look at the first expression that you see there, you have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, and that goes for the expression. And look at the 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now let's see this, spot out the differences now. Now the first one is without equal to 0. It's just 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. While the second one, you can see you have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And because it's equal to 0, that makes it an equation. The one without 0 is an expression. So quadratic expression without equal to 0, quadratic equation with equal to 0. Now factorization of equation. So let me use this as an example. So that will be a guide for your holiday assignment. Now look at x squared minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. That's the given equation and we are to factorize it. So what you need to do out of the three terms, we have x squared, that's the first term there, minus 7x is the second, which is the middle one, plus 10 is also the last term there. So what you need to do, look at the arrow, is x squared multiplied by 10. When you multiply the x squared and the 10 together, you're going to have 10x squared. 10x squared. Now that x squared, you'll be having x in two places, so you split it, then 10 is a number that you think of two factor. This time around we look at 5 and 2, so 5 times 2 will actually give you 10, and x times x will give you x squared. The whole idea is for us to have the 10x squared back, but we want to replace minus 7x without changing anything. So minus 5x minus 2x will fit into minus 7x. So that's why we now have x squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. You can see now what you have in the middle as minus 5 minus 2 is the same thing as minus 7. So we are not changing anything at all. So we are just replacing our 3 terms to being in 4 terms. X squared, 5x, 2x and 10 instead of x squared, 7x and 10. Now, so when you look at that, you look at the factor, what is common between x squared and 5x, you discover that is x, you bring it out, and what remain in the bracket is x minus 5. When you look at it from 2x plus 10, you discover that the factor between 2 10 is 2. So you bring the 2 out, and what you left there is x and 5. How do you get your 5? How many 2 can you send in that 10? 2 can actually get 5 times. So that's why you discover that x minus 5 is the same in the bracket. So you actually pick one, and the one without bracket is x minus 2. So you pick that also and bracket it and equate it to 0. So when you pick it one after the other, you discover that x minus 5 equal to 0. And when you take 5 to the other side, you change from minus to plus. Then 0 plus 5 will give you 5. So the value of x is 5. And in the other hand, you have x minus 2 to be equal to 0. So if you look at it and take minus 2 to the other side, because a cross equality sign, it will change sign over there. Then you have x equal to 0 plus 2. Then your x is now 2. So the value of x now is 2 or 5, 2 and 5. Then what you need to do is to just go through them again and look at the assignment there. The assignment is x squared minus 11x plus 24 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation, and you know why? Because it actually equal to 0. It's not an expression, it's an equation. So you look at this, go through my example over there, and solve this one and drop it in the comment section. So when you drop it in the comment section, I'll be able to look at it, score you, and send your score into the platform. So take it serious, enjoy your holiday. Till we meet again. Bye for now from Mr. Israel. Bye bye. Wait, you cover it, mommy. Oh, and a pot.
What's it there?
Àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ wo ló wà lẹ́nu? Ask your mommy whether she can afford it.